Alright, we're back here with the Dracula Parrot Duel again. My next opponent is Slejo. Or is it Slejo? I don't know. Very good player. We won the coin flip, we're going first. Got some nice stuff in the tray. Sorry, in hand. Nothing really there. This is a good start. Don't really have to think too hard about this. Small clutch. Guess we take small clutch. Avian Theronologist is terrible. We play the Robin, take food twice, play the Heron, roll a bunch. That's the game plan. See what we can find. See if we can find ourselves an Exor somewhere. Yeah, if nothing else, though, the Robin has got us sorted for food, which is nice. Means we could play a Grasson's game if we find the right pieces. Hopefully we're not staring down a Raven or something. Alright. What are we looking at? I'm gonna assume not fantastic card draw, because if you've got good card draw, you usually keep less cards than 3. Jungle Fowler, that's a good card. Well, let's scoop up this nectar. It probably means they're gonna have a very a good chance of winning this first end of round, so that's nice for them. What did Sandpiper? I'm gonna get some free cards, nice. We just roll the dice, see what we get. Welcome, Swallow. Okay. I think I have to take you. Theta Tragapan, that is a top tier find of top tier finds. That's exactly the card I need. So now we just draw and don't re-roll, and we get the Tragapan into the game. And the Chipping Sparrow. Wow, okay, we'll take both of them. I think we cash 2 of these. Wilson Storm Petrel comes up. Unfortunately, no time to take it. We lay eggs, play Tragapan. taking food, so they're probably gonna go for the third bird in here, which is fine. More worried about this next end of round, which I can only really hit with you, which is more problematic. But Chipping Sparrow is a crazy good find. It's going to help with a lot of the end of rounds. And Trigger Pan is just going to allow us to really accelerate our game. We got a couple of their small clutch birds at least, so like this Anhänger, not usually interesting. Holy, okay, Bush Tit Noddy. Alright, everyone's getting cards today. Bush Tit's actually really good for them because every time I give a card from the Trigger Pan, I give them 2 points on the Bush Tit, so unfortunate. Make a decision here. Do I want anything? Do I want Major Mitchell? It's not really a bird I really want. The Nuthatch is not that interesting because we're going to do Chipping Sparrow and something. It could be Major Mitchell, but I don't like that bird very much. So let's plan out our turns. We take food. We give away, I don't know, there's Willet. We play Chipping Sparrow. Then maybe we do this. I think I like that. I think I like that. I think we take Bosie. Biscuits Parrot, okay. Yeah, do Sparrow, Major Mitchell. Sparrow, Major Mitchell, food. Go away, Pisket. I think we just look to qualify here and try and win this one. I have 2 turns left. What do I want to play? That'll be another draw angle. There's no need to use the Trigger Pan either, because we only need 1 egg to do stuff, so I think that makes sense. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with this. This is to collar into bunting. That's fine, because I'm not really planning on doing much tucking this game. I'm much more worried about this bush tit coming down, but they, I mean, I don't know why they haven't just taken food play bush tit. Guess they're worried about card access, I suppose. We gotta figure out how we're gonna construct the grasslands. Like we definitely play this. And what else? I'm not really sure. Maybe I do want this reed warbler. Do you reed warbler into like Anenga or Raven? Raven doesn't sound terrible, honestly. I would prefer the Raven in the grasslands though, so probably Anenga. Yeah, I think we do this. Okay, we don't care about that cormorant. Alright, so now we do this. Food. We'll give away the cormorant. And then double play into the Anenga. That way we still retain this if we need it. It does mean we give away a card. Yeah, oh yeah, maybe we throw Pesket for an extra food so we can re-roll if we need to. Because we've got great... we've got a great forest, but no delivery system. We don't have like big bonus birds or like big cards. Like our biggest thing is like this Raven. Which is fine. Keep hammering away with this major ritual. So how many food am I getting? I get 4. Oh, actually, I don't need to... Do not need to throw a card. Fish crow. Interesting. Ooh. I guess I take the rat for the raven later, since we're going to use nectar for the Anenga. Skip lay, and you can have this cormorant. Yeah, I think we just have to play the Anenga. Really not a big fan of it, but I mean, whatever. Yeah, and then they lay eggs, and they just win this end of round, which is fine. And then grasslands is going to be... Why does Raven have 3 eggs? It's so annoying. Raven, Warbler, Planeswanderer, probably. We'll see what we can find on the next turn. Maybe there's something good that we can find. And we play the Anenga. Alright, there's some stuff. The Longspur is good. Adjutant. Wonder if you're a behaviorist. Alright, we will skip the Adjutant, I think. I think we will discard a card. Oh, Flycatcher, that's surprisingly mid-find for us, actually. Bill was a bait. Yeah, I think we'll take food again. Sorry, take cards one more time. They did take Phil. I think that's a huge bait. Purple Heron, not good at this point in the game. Lyrebird. I need to deny that. I'm not particularly scared of it, but I should deny it. And the Plover. Do I think I do throw the egg for a card. Rambling, okay. That's fine. Alright. We have enough stuff for sure to play, so I shouldn't be that worried about stuff. Just gotta keep an eye on the 2. I think we have to just aim for lower bound off this guy. Belted Kingfisher. Okay. What do I want to play here? I want to be able to play Longspur and this. So if I take this and throw, we're not going to play the Brambling this game. Throw you. Yes, we'll open with Longspur, and then this guy, and then we might have to take an egg action, because we've got to have 3 birds we want to have eggs on, versus their 1, 2. Okay, so we play Longspur. We have to take Rodentologist here, right? We don't have any. We got Raven, I guess. Yeah, I guess we play Raven. It's nice. Oh, I guess Eleanor's Falcon is now interesting because it hits small clutch as well. So I guess, yeah, you're in the game. Wobbler. Do I play it up here? The extra food would actually be helpful. What's the trade-off? The trade-off is not being able to play the Aussie Raven. Oh, the plane. I actually think this is completely fine. I think the extra food is important for the Raven. Oh, the trade-off is not being able to lay the extra egg. Oh, silly me. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we tie the end of round. That's annoying. That's 3 points lost, but maybe I can get 3 points back on this Warbler later on. I don't know. Yeah, oops, that's my bad. Yeah, so we're looking at these 2 birds and Plains Wanderer. So it's like food, food, play, play, play. Oh, that wins them the end of round. God damn it. Yeah, that wins them the end of round. I shouldn't have done that. I should have taken food. The consolation prize here is that 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fuck, we should have put the Wobbler here and oh well. We miss out on 3 points. It's fine. We'll hit lower bound off of Eleanor. That's 6 point play. Plus this 9 points. This can be 12. And Plains Wanderer maybe can work some magic for us. Unfortunately, this only get us 2 food, so yeah, I should have put it here. Worth more here. And we got to throw in cards for the extra food, so yeah, not a good play. Did Phil hit? No, Phil did not hit. What cards we want to throw? Probably Purple Airbird, Purple Heron, Pesciet's Parrot's an easy throw, I think. I guess we'll take Rat. I think here I want to start liquidating. So even though that gives them a cycle, I'm kind of okay with it. I want to make them draw cards. I don't want to use that power yet. How much nectar? 5, okay. So we do this guy, and Eleanor. We'll call that a game. I stole that. Don't really mind too much. Yeah, and just another reason why I shouldn't have played this Warbler here. That's a big mistake. It's having cascading implications, which is really annoying. Need a rat and a worm, so I guess we just keep taking worms. No, I still don't want to give you a card. Because giving them a card, like, they might have 2 good cards in hand, right? And they don't want to cycle something with a bunting. Like, it just makes... Yeah, they skip the cycle on the bunting. We're gonna get to 26. I know they have the Noddy. Hyperspill. Ooh. So they're also going to get to 26. Hmm. Question is, do you play the Ash-Throated? Probably not. It's worth 9 points to play that. You're worth 3 points, but... 3 points was a bonus. I'd have to get a... Okay, so you were 8 points, you were 3 points. I'd have to find a 5-point bonus card. What I want. Actually, I think Ash-Throated is now better. Even though it's only 2 eggs, it's the winning the end of round that's important, I think. It's gonna be a low-scoring game, I think. They can go up to 6. So yeah, we're gonna win 2 out of 3 nectars, which is good. Adjutant. Okay, I think they also pick a rodentologist. But yeah, we have to play Ash-Throated for the extra points on the EOR. Doesn't look like Phil hit, which is good news for us. Yeah, it's going to be a really low-scoring game. Like, no one's really built an efficient engine. No one's really got good things going on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not really sure who wins this game. Yeah, a bit of a scrap. Neither of us really found good stuff. Here's my Gyazo. No one really found good things yet. We just kind of had to scrap it out and see what we could do with what we had. What do you have? Ooh, population monitor. That makes the bush tip make sense, yeah. Yeah, Phil was indeed a bait. But got some points back from rodentologist, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I made one mistake with this warbler here. We should have played it here, and that would have earned us an extra 3 points, plus maybe winning nectar over here at some point. So, yeah, because we could have put Raven up here on nectar or something. So that's probably what we could have done. But other than that, we played the cards that we were given and did okay. So yeah, well played to my opponent, and we'll see what happens in game 2.